హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ధృవి అకాడమిక్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఛానల్. ఇందులో ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ మై ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సబ్స్క్రైబే కాదు, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. లెట్స్ బిగిన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ ఆన్ మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్. MCQs అనేవి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. లైక్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, అంబ్రెల్లా లైక్ growth over rotten materials of dumped waste. Is it a rhizophus, B isola, or C nostoc, or D mushroom? Which is the right answer? Umbrella like growth on rotten materials, we can see on a D mushroom is the right answer, because D mushroom is the right answer because it's a mushroom is this fungi like kingdom. It's a consist of like umbrella shaped and adugutunnaru. So it's a mushroom. It's a species is fungi and its a kingdom is a yeast. So D is the right answer. Next one, microorganisms grow on other organisms are called parasites or saprophytes or autotrophs, or D heterotrophs. Which is the right answer? It's the microorganisms which grow on other organisms. Those are called parasites. A is the right answer. The organisms that grow on host for to get a food. So those organisms are called parasites. Next, animal cule is nothing but it's a virus, or B bacteria, or C fungus, or D algae. Which is the right answer? Animal cule is nothing but it's a B bacteria is the right answer, because it's a very small animal bacteria, or these are very small, and it was discovered by Antoine Leeuwenhoek. He discovered it's a single cell microorganisms. So this is these are called animal cule. Those are bacteria. Next one, this will happen if buttermilk is added to lukewarm milk. Is it A, milk would be spoiled, or B, curd would be formed in 2 or 3 hours? Curd would be formed in a long time, or curd would not be formed? Which is the right answer? It's a B is the right answer, because curd would be formed in 2 or 3 hours. 2 or 3 hours లో కర్డ్ అనేది అవుతుంది. మన లూక్ వామ్ మిల్క్ ఉంటుంది కదా, గోరువెచ్చగా, అందులో యాడ్ చేస్తే కర్డ్ 2 or 3 hours-లోనే కర్డ్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇట్స్ బి ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, the chemical is used in bacterial staining. Is it A, methyl blue, or it's a I, methyl orange, or it's a Janus green, or it's a D, crystal violet? Which is the right answer? Its answer is a D, crystal violet is used, or crystal violet another name is methyl violet. This chemical is used in a bacterial staining. For the observation of fungi, we use this. Is it a rotten bread, or B, pond water, or C, grape juice, or D, buttermilk? Which is the right answer? It's a for the observation of fungi, we use this. We use a rotten bread. A is the right answer. Next, lactobacillus can be seen in is it on water, or it's a B, rotten vegetable, or C, buttermilk, or D, bread? Lactobacillus can be seen in buttermilk. We can see lactobacillus in a buttermilk. So C is the right answer. Protozoans can be observed in, is it A, pond water, or it's a B, hay decoction, or it's a C, bread, or it's a D, potato? Which is the right answer? Protozoans can be observed in hay decoction, because hay ante is nothing but it's a grass kada. We can be observed these on a grass మీద వాటర్ డ్రాప్లెట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, సో దట్స్ protozoan can be observed. And for protozoans, example are amebia, paramecium. These are the examples of the protozoans. Next, disease causing microbes spread through air. Is it water, or C, vectors, D, all the above? I mean above all, which is the right answer. Disease causing microbes can be spread through air or water vectors. Air, water through vectors also. So D is the right answer. Name the labeled part of the fungus. Is it hyphae, B body or spore? It's a conidispores, which is the right answer. They are asking మనకి ఈ part అడుగుతున్నారు. What is this part? Is it body or spores or hyphae or it's a conidispores? It's a called as a మనం దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే hyphae అంటాం. This part. This part is called as a body. Right? And this part, they are asking about this part. So this part is the conidispores. అండ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ మా చిన్న చిన్నవి ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటిని ఏమంటారంటే స్పోర్ట్స్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ కొనిడిస్పోర్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Name the label part of the fungus. Is it hyphae or body or spores or conidispores? Okay. Just now only I said it's a this conidispores. This is the right answer. This is called as a conidispores. This part. దీన్ని ఈ పార్ట్ని ఏమంటారంటే హైఫే అంటారు. And this part is called the body. I just now explained, right? Next one. Name the microorganisms present in the diagram. Is it agaricus or rhizophus or penicillium or aspergillus? Which is the right answer? The microorganism present in the diagram is a rhizophus. B is the right answer. Rhizophus is nothing but it's a fungi. Kada. Name the microorganisms present in the diagram. Is it rhizophus or penicillium or spirogyra or spirulina? Present in the diagram. This name the microorganism present in the diagram. Its answer is it's a B, penicillium. Penicillium, it's a nothing but it's a blue or green molds. First antibiotic named as a penicillin kada. Next one. The given microorganisms belongs to algae, fungi, protozoa, virus. The given microorganism, this is given microorganisms, right, which belongs to algae, fungi, protozoa, virus. It's a belong to a protozoa. It's a protozoa is nothing but it's a unicellular eukaryotic, right kada, eukaryotic, and its examples are plasmodiums. Plasmodium ante it's a plasmodium, it causes a malaria. These protozoans are unicellulars and they are eukaryotics. Next one. I am responsible for causing a deadly disease. Who am I? Is it TMV, tobacco mosaic virus, or is it a B, swine flu virus, or it's a HIV, or it's a Ebola? It's a HIV. C is the right answer. HIV full form తెలుసు కదా అందరికీ. It's a human immunodeficiency virus కదా. HIV is not treated because there is no cure for HIV. Next, this diagram. I am responsible for mosaic disease in tobacco. Who am I? Is it a HIV or smallpox virus or polio virus, or D? It's a TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Which is the right answer? This is a tobacco mosaic disease in tobacco. Who am I means it's a TMV. D is the right answer. It's a single strand RNA. It is in brown in color. It's we can be seeing on leaves. Next one. Name the microorganisms present in the picture. Is it a spirogyra, or is it diatom, or it's a spirulina, or it's a serratum? Paratium. Which is the right answer? It's a diatom. This is a diatom. So B is the right answer. Diatom is nothing but it's a unicellular organisms, and these in the diatom cell walls are made up of a silicon dioxide. Next, match the following group A and group B. We should match group A with the group B. It's eyelash mite and cholera and polio. Fourth one chara and fifth one bread mold. In A, it's a virus algae and it's a virus. B algae and C microarthropod. D bacteria. E protozoa. F fungus. Which is the right answer? Eyelash might nothing but eyelash mite is nothing but it's called the microarthropod. It matches with the C. And next, cholera is nothing but it's a bacterial disease. Next, polio it's a causes a virus. And chara it's a algae. And bread molds, we can be seeing bread molds. And fungus caused by a fungus. So its answer is a B. This will be a right answer. Next one. Lactobacillus is present in, is it curd or butter? B milk or D all of this? Lactobacillus can be present in only curd. A is the right answer. Next, one of the following added to dough for the preparing bread. Is it agar or it's clostridium or yeast or bacillus? It's a dough for preparing for bread. Its answer C is the right answer. Next, dash gas is released during the fermentation. Is it carbon dioxide, hydrogen or sulfur? All of this. This is a previous bit, and this is a carbon dioxide is released during the fermentation. A is the right answer. Next, sugars are converted into dash by yeast. It is the by yeast. Is it a proteins or B fats or alcohol? D none of this. Sugars are converted into alcohol by yeast. C is the right answer. Next, one of the following helping curing the disease. Is it antibiotics or painkillers or nutrients or D antigens? Which is the right answer? They are asking helping curing the disease means antibiotics are used helping curing the diseases, because these antibiotics it's a fight against the bacterial that causes in humans. A is the right answer. Immediate effect on disease, or is it tablets or syrup injections? All of this. మనకి ఏమైనా డిసీజ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు we use the tablet syrups injections. So these all causes a effect on diseases. So D is the right answer. Next, the word vaccine come from vacca, which means is it a cat, horse, cow or cattle? The word vaccine come from vacca, which means it's a cow. C is the right answer. This is also previous bit. And next, about 78% of air around is it oxygen or carbon or hydrogen, nitrogen? It's a they are asking about a 78% means it's a nitrogen. 78% air around it is nitrogen, whereas oxygen in the percentage in the oxygen is 21% కదా. అండ్ హైడ్రోజన్ అంటే ఇట్స్ 0.0000005%. Next, citrus canker of lemon is caused by, is it virus or bacteria or protozoan or insect? Citrus canker of lemon is caused by its answer is B bacteria. This is also previous bit, and it is that bacteria name it's a Xanthomonas citri, and it affects like it affect which part means like leaves, fruits. Food poisoning is due to consumption of fresh fruits or spoiled food or raw food, bad air. Everyone we knows that food cause poisoning due to consumption of a spoiled food. Penicillin was discovered in this year. In which year? In 1929 or 1932, 1917, 1940? It's a penicillin was discovered in the year 19. It's a 1928 actually. It was 1928, but in the year 1928 to 1929 they discovered the penicillin, and penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Dr. Y. Subbarao discovered the following: is it vaccine or ampicillin or tetracycline or BCG? What he discovered? He discovered a C tetracycline. Why డాక్టర్ ఎల్లా ప్రగడ సుబ్బారావు కదా మనకి బిట్ ఇది కూడా ప్రీవియస్ వచ్చింది మనకి బిట్. సో టెట్రాసైక్లిన్ అందర్ నేమ్ ఈస్ ఇట్స్ ఆరోమైసిన్ కూడా అంటాం. అందర్ నేమ్ ఈస్ ఆరోమైసిన్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ యాంటీబయోటిక్ క్యూరింగ్ లైక్ బ్యాక్టీరియల్ డిసీజ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైక్ ఎలా అంటే టైఫాయిడ్, ప్లేగు అండ్ ట్యూబర్కులోసిస్. Rabies vaccine was discovered by whom? Is it a Jenner or is it Pasteur or Leeuwenhoek or D. Robert Hooke? Rabies vaccine was discovered by, we everybody know, Louis Pasteur. Rabies was discovered by Louis Pasteur. B is the right answer. This was also previous bit. Smallpox virus was discovered by, is it Pasteur, Flamingo, Jenner or Jones Salk? Smallpox was discovered by whom? Its answer is smallpox was discovered by Jenner. This is the right answer. Edward Jenner. Next one. The vaccine that prevent tuberculosis, is it MMR, is it DPT or BCG or ECG? The vaccine that prevent tuberculosis. Which prevent the tuberculosis? It's a BCG. This is the right answer. Next, folic acid discovery is associated with the following scientists: is Jenner, Pasteur, Y. Subbarao, Fleming. Which is the right answer? This folic acid discovery associated with the following scientist. They are asking who discovery is associated with the Y. Subbarao. This is the right answer. Next, sugars are converted into alcohols by, is it bacteria, fungus, yeast, algae? This is also previous bit. Sugars are converted into alcohol by yeast. This is the right answer. Next, dengue and chikungunya are spread by, is it air, water, food, mosquitoes? It's a by a mosquito. Dengue, chikungunya maniki ela vastadi like biting a mosquitoes. Next, Sir Ronald Rose was awarded with Nobel Prize in the year, in the 1901 or 1903, 1904 or 1902. Which is the right answer? He awarded in the year 1902. He worked on malaria kada, so he got a Nobel Prize in the year 1902. Tika disease can be seen in sugarcane. This is also previous bit. Tika disease can be seen in sugarcane and groundnut, paddy. It's a sorghum. Which is the right answer? It's a Tika disease can be seen in a groundnut, and this is caused by like ఎలా అంటే pathogenic fungus. Like దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే pathogen. This is also called as a leaf spot disease కూడా అంటారు దీన్ని. Next, food poisoning is due to this bacteria. Is it typhi, E. coli, Clostridium botulinum or Lactobacillus? Its answer C. Clostridium is the right answer. Next, choose the correct matching for the following: list A with the list B. Polio in list A, and TB, tuberculosis, and it's a terrosis. Third one, list B, it's a BCG, and B, it's a DPT, and C, it's a oral polio vaccine. Which is the correct matching among this? It's a polio. Polio is a oral polio vaccine, matches with the C, and a TB. It's a tuberculosis. It's a tuberculosis matches with the BCG, and it's a terrosis. It's a Aritasis. It's a B. It matches with the B. So it will be answered with the D is the right answer. 1 C and 2 is the A and 3 is the B. So D is the right answer. Next, choose the mismatch pair from the following. They are asking for a mismatch, not for a matching. They are asking for a mismatch. So what is Cella? Is it Mrs. No. What is Cella? Nothing but they feed on bacteria. So this is a wrong. And next, MMR, mumps. MMR is nothing but measles, mumps and rubella. Kada. So this is the right one. Next, tet or vaccine. It's a tetanus. Yeah, tet is nothing but it's a tetanus is nothing but vaccine. So this is also right. So 2 and 3 are right. One only wrong. So they are asking for mismatching. So D is the right answer. This is also known as a triple antigen. Is it BCG, ECG, tet, vaccine or DPT? Which is the right answer? They are asking a triple antigen. Triple antigen means it's a DPT. DPT ఏమంటారంటే triple antigen. It's a triple antigen like DPTని diphtheria, it's a terraces and tetanus అని అంటారు. Nothing but it's a combination of three infection diseases. Vaccine for polio was discovered by whom? Is it Flamingo, Jones, Salk or Weiss, Barrow, Jenner? Vaccine for polio was discovered by, it's a B, Jonas Salk. He discovered a vaccine for a polio. Next, the word vacca is discovered from vaccine, which means is a disease or sheep or cow medicine. This is also previous bit. The word vacca is discovered from the vaccine like cow. Microorganisms which cause disease are called vectors, pathogens, vaccines or insect. Which is the right answer? Microorganisms which causes a disease. దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే మనకి డిసీజ్ ఏమైనా వస్తాయి కదా, సో which caused by a microorganisms that causes a disease, those are called as the pathogens. B is the right answer. So please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching this video.